A beautifully set table can transform any celebration into an unforgettable experience. It's not just about the meal, it's about the atmosphere, the mood, and the joy of sharing moments with loved ones. Whether you're hosting a birthday, wedding reception, or intimate dinner party, the table setting becomes a canvas for your creativity. From thoughtfully chosen tableware to the perfect centerpiece, every detail contributes to the overall charm of your celebration. A stunning table not only makes your guests feel special, but also sets the tone for the event. Even the simplest settings can be elevated with clever touches, turning the ordinary into something extraordinary. Let's delve into ideas to elevate your table settings, ensuring your next celebration is a masterpiece of elegance. The foundation of any elegant table setting is a cohesive color palette. Neutrals like white, cream, and beige serve as timeless classics that can be accented with metallics like gold or silver for added sophistication. For festive occasions, jewel tones such as emerald green, deep burgundy, or sapphire blue exude luxury. Pair these shades with subtle patterns or textures in your linens and tableware. Use complementary colors for contrast, like soft blush with deep gray or navy with white. Carry the palette through every element of tablecloths, napkins, and even floral arrangements to maintain harmony. Small accents, such as colored glassware or metallic flatware, can tie the palette together beautifully. Don't shy away from experimenting with gradients or ombre effects for a modern twist. For a dynamic look, consider alternating place settings in slightly different shades of the same palette. Lighting also plays a role in enhancing your color scheme. Warm lighting can highlight golden accents, while cool lighting can make blues and silvers pop. Incorporate lighting that harmonizes with your chosen palette, such as tinted candles or LED lights. When done right, a timeless color scheme creates an inviting ambience, offering a balance of elegance and warmth to your table. If these elegant table setting ideas have you ready to host your next celebration in style, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who love sophisticated decor. Layering is key to creating a sophisticated and dynamic table setting. Start with a high-quality tablecloth or runner to set the foundation, then add placemats or chargers to create visual interest. Opt for dinnerware that complements the event's theme, whether it's sleek and modern or detailed with classic patterns. Cloth napkins folded into intricate shapes or secured with chic napkin rings provide an elevated touch. Combine different materials to add depth, smooth porcelain plates with rustic wooden chargers, shimmering metallic accents with soft linen textures. Incorporate decorative elements like beaded placemats or embossed glasses to add extra flair. Mixing patterns, such as a subtle stripe in your napkins paired with a floral motif in your plates, can add visual intrigue. For a cohesive yet layered look, align your textures with the theme. Rustic celebrations may benefit from burlap runners and wooden accents, while formal dinners could lean on velvet or satin elements. Don't overlook the chairs. Adding slipcovers or tying ribbons to their backs can further enhance the layered effect. Each layer, from the base linens to the final place settings, works together to achieve a balanced, luxurious look. What's your go-to tip for creating an elegant table setting? Share your ideas in the comments. I'd love to hear how you elevate your celebrations with stunning table decor. A centerpiece is the focal point of your table and sets the tone for the entire arrangement. For an elegant celebration, floral arrangements featuring roses, peonies, or hydrangeas make for classic choices. Low-profile vases allow unobstructed views and seamless conversation. Add height with candles of varying sizes or sculptural candelabras to create depth. For seasonal celebrations, incorporate thematic elements, pine cones and greenery in winter, or citrus fruits and blossoms in summer. Use bold, unconventional materials like feathers, crystal ornaments, or mirrored trays to add a touch of opulence. Mix textures, such as glass vases with wooden elements or metallic accents for contrast. If you're aiming for a minimalist approach, a single large statement piece, like a dramatic orchid or artistic vase, can be incredibly impactful. On the other hand, a cluster of smaller centerpieces scattered along the table can create a more dynamic and interactive experience. Keep proportions in mind. Your centerpiece should enhance the setting without overwhelming the table. By combining beauty with functionality, a show-stopping centerpiece becomes a memorable highlight for any gathering. For more inspiring ideas on table settings, event decor, and creating unforgettable celebrations, subscribe to the channel and tap the bell icon so you never miss a stylish update. It's the little things that make a table setting truly special. Personalized details like custom place cards or handwritten menus create a sense of intimacy and thoughtfulness. Small keepsakes, such as miniature potted plants or scented candles, can double as decor and party favors. Ribbon-tied napkins with sprigs of rosemary or lavender add a delightful sensory element. Lighting is equally essential. Opt for a mix of soft candlelight and twinkling fairy lights to evoke warmth and elegance. Add unique elements that reflect your personality, such as heirloom pieces or themed decor items that resonate with the occasion. Symmetry and balance in arranging table elements are crucial to achieving a polished look. Place settings should be equidistant, and decorative elements should be evenly spaced. Even small adjustments, like angling the cutlery or placing a decorative touch on the plates, can elevate the experience. Consider scent as part of your decor. Subtle fragrances from candles or flowers can enhance the ambience. These finishing touches, while subtle, convey care and attention to detail, leaving a lasting impression on your guests. Looking for more elegant decor ideas? Check out our playlist full of table setting inspiration, event themes, and creative ways to make your celebrations even more memorable. Elegant table settings are more than just decor, they're a reflection of your style and hospitality. A thoughtfully curated table becomes a stage for shared memories and meaningful connections, adding warmth and personality to any gathering. By combining a timeless color palette, layered textures, stunning centerpieces, and heartfelt personal touches, you create an environment that's both visually captivating and emotionally engaging. Each detail contributes to an experience that lingers in the hearts of your guests long after the plates are cleared. Whether it's a grand celebration or an intimate dinner, your table becomes a symbol of care and celebration, making each moment at it unforgettable. Let your creativity shine, and enjoy the journey of designing a table that brings people together in joy and harmony. What makes elegant table settings so special is their versatility. You don't need to follow rigid rules. Sometimes the most memorable tables are the ones that tell a story or showcase your unique personality. Whether you're incorporating family heirlooms, DIY decor, or seasonal elements, your personal touch makes all the difference. Even the smallest details, like a perfectly folded napkin or a hand-painted menu card, can transform a simple meal into a cherished event. Remember, it's not about perfection, but about creating a warm and welcoming space for those you care about. The effort you put into the details speaks volumes and shows your guests how much they mean to you. An elegant table setting is also a celebration of artistry and craftsmanship. It's an opportunity to appreciate the beauty of well-designed tableware, the charm of a thoughtful centerpiece, and the creativity in combining elements that enhance your theme. Every choice you make, from the tablecloth to the lighting, contributes to the ambience and adds layers of meaning to the experience. As you plan your next event, don't be afraid to think outside the box. Experiment with textures, colors, and materials that resonate with your vision. Remember, the true magic lies in the effort and thoughtfulness you put into each element. Even the most modest settings can feel luxurious when infused with care and attention to detail. Finally, cherish the process of creating these memorable moments. Setting the table becomes an act of love, a way to bring people together and celebrate life's beautiful occasions. Your table setting is a reflection of your passion and a gift to those who share it with you. A beautifully set table is more than just decoration, it's a heartfelt invitation to share in life's most cherished moments. Want to recreate these elegant looks for your next celebration? Check out the description below for links to the products and decor featured in today's video. It creates a space where laughter, stories, and delicious food come together in perfect harmony. Each plate, glass, and flower adds a layer of meaning, turning an ordinary meal into an extraordinary experience. There's something magical about the way a thoughtfully designed table can transform a room, setting the tone for the entire celebration. The soft glow of candlelight, the shimmer of polished silverware, and the gentle hues of a carefully chosen palette work together to create an ambience that feels both elegant and inviting.